Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. Students, today I will get you the current affairs of the month March, and this is part 4. Part 1, 2, 3 I have already covered, and the medium of the language will be in English. Those students who are not comfortable with Hindi language, that southern states students, they can watch this video because this video will be incomplete in English language. And for which exam this video will be helpful? This video will be helpful for 100% helpful for RIMC exam, Rashtriya Indian Military College, for which the exam is going to held on 4th June. Okay, RMS exam was already done, and for the next year it will be helpful because around 10 to 15 question come from the current affairs section. And in the Sainik school, that is the exam for which is going to 9 January 2023. For in that exam also 4 to 5 to 6 questions come from the current affairs section. So all the three exams, there is a weightage of current affairs. So without current affair it is not possible to score good marks. And nowadays you will notice a tradition that current affairs is directly related to static GK. You cannot prepare separately current affairs, and you have to prepare current affairs and static GK simultaneously. Okay, so let's start. Before going ahead, I want to clear you that please visit our official website www.geometryschool.in, and here's a form, application form. What type of product you want? You want live class, book a demo, hostel facility, recorded lecture, mock test, and others. Okay, and you have to submit this inquiry form. Our expert team will call you and guide you properly. We have launched hostel facilities. These are hostel facilities. This is classroom picture, this is computer lab, bedroom, main building, and playground. All the facility you will get in the hostels. If you want any information about hostel, you can call on this number. This is our official number, 7088827111. If this number does not connect, then call on the to 70882722 and 333. In last 111, 222 and 333. And for which entrance exam we provide the hostel facility. RIMC, RMS, Sainik, Navodaya, Jamia, all the school entrance tests we cover in through the hostel facilities also. You can join the Telegram through the Google Lens. You can students can scan this QR code through the Google Lens, and you will automatically join to the Telegram group. We also provide live class. If you want to take live classes, please call on these numbers and book a demo. First you have to book a demo. We will provide 2 free class in 2 demo class, and decide whether it is beneficial for you. RIMC, RMS, Sainik school, all the 3 exams cover under the live class section also. We have recorded courses also. If you have not sufficient time for the exam, then you can avail our recorded courses. They are complete courses, and watch all the concept video, practice questions, everything you will get in the recorded course also. And today I will teach you the part 4 of the March 2022. So let's start. Yes, today I have prepared you a question of a map, because in RIMC exam there are 2 to 3 questions are always asked to the map section. What is today's question? Identify the name of state marked by arrow. Identify the name of state marked by arrow. And the where actually I am talking about this state. Okay, you have to knowledge, because the question, what type of question asked this from this section, that this is a state, and to how many state this state shares its boundary. Like this is Madhya Pradesh shares its boundary with how many states. Okay, this type of questions are asked in the RIMC especially exam. So you have to be very accurate in terms of location of state and their boundary, to whom they share its boundary. It is very clear for you. Clear? So the correct answer is this is Manipur. This is Manipur. The correct answer is this is Manipur. Okay, the correct answer is this is Manipur. So now this is map practice. Now last time I gave you a burning question. The question was, I took the question from RIMC June 2021. What was the question? The question was the ratio of width of our national flag to its length. The correct answer is width and length, that is 2:3. 2:3. Today's question number 1. today's question number 1. I will cover 25 question. 25 question. I don't give too many questions that you have remember 100 question, 200 question, 500 question. No, I don't give. I give only 25 question per week. 25 question per week. Okay, very little quantity and very effective. And you will notice through 100 question per month, none of even a single question will not be escaped. If you prepare this current affair clearly, then all the question will be covered in the exam that's coming, RIMC exam. So you can without any doubt you can trust on these current affairs, and you can match it from the previous year paper also. Who is the current chief minister of Manipur? So recently there was election in 5 states. So four states won by BJP and 1 state was won by Aam Aadmi Party. So Manipur was won by BJP. So who is the current chief minister of Manipur? That is N. Biren Singh. N. Biren Singh. Okay, and who is the governor of Manipur? La Ganeshan. La Ganeshan is the governor, because in RMS recently, in RMS exam, Rashtriya Military Schools exam, a governor was asked, that is who is the governor of Rajasthan? Who is the governor? This question was asked in RMS exam that was held in 3rd April 2022. Okay, so governor is important. So La Ganeshan is the governor of Manipur, and there is an important lake in the Manipur, that is Loktak Lake. Loktak Lake is located in Manipur. And Manipuri classical dance. There are 7 classical dance. Manipuri classical dance is also Manipur. And important festival, that is Sangai festival. You have to remember this festival, Sangai festival. Sangai festival, Lai Haroba festival, Laiharoba, Lai Haroba festival, and Chumpa festival. Chumpa, you cannot ignore Chumpa. CHUMPHA, Chumpa festival. Okay, these are some important facts about Manipur. Let's move. The answer of this question in N. Biren Singh. Pramod Sawant is the current chief minister of which state? So this is another state where election held. So again BJP government captured the state's government again. So the correct answer is Pramod Sawant is the chief minister of Goa. And Goa, what is the capital of Goa? Goa capital is Panaji, Panaji, Panaji. And Goa is the if the question comes, which is the largest state of India? That is Rajasthan. Which is the smallest state of India in terms of area? That is Goa. Goa is the smallest state of India. Okay, and who is the governor of Goa? Who is the governor of Goa? P. Sridharan Pillai. P. Sridharan Pillai. PSP. P. Sridharan Pillai is the governor of Goa. And there are 2 important national park. One is Bhagwan Wahid, Molem National Park. Only one national park is there in Goa. One is Molem National Park, and there are 2 important wildlife sanctuary. Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhagwan Mahavir. Actually, Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuary and Molem National Park are combined. Bhagwan Mahavir National Park and Molem Wildlife Sanctuary and Molem National Park, they are combined. So, and another is Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. What is the official language of Goa? Official language of Goa is Konkani. And how many legislative assembly seats are there in Goa? Because this is the smallest state in terms of legislative assembly seats also. So 40 legislative assembly seats are there in Goa. 40 legislative assembly. Okay. So the correct answer is Goa. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Is the current chief minister of Uttarakhand? Current chief minister of Uttarakhand is Pushkar Singh Dhami. Pushkar Singh Dhami. Correct answer is Pushkar Singh Dhami. Please correct it. Option D is the right answer. D. And who is the governor? Who is the governor of Uttarakhand? Uttarakhand governor is Gurmeet Singh. Gurmeet Singh is the governor. Gurmeet Singh. And there are 2 to 3, 4 to 5, even 4 to 5 important national parks. Jim Corbett. Oldest national park of India. Jim Corbett. Rajaji. Nanda Devi, Gangotri, and Valley of Flowers. valley of Jim Corbett, Rajaji, Nanda Devi, Gangotri, Valley of Flowers. These are 5 important national park of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand was founded on 9th November 2000. 9th November. Foundation day is 9th November 2000. And there are 2 capital of Uttarakhand. This question has been asked in RIMC. There are 2 capitals. One is summer capital and one is winter. So winter capital is Dehradun, and summer capital is Gairsend. This question has been asked in RIMC exam. Gairsend is the summer capital. So correct answer is option number D. Next question. World Water Day is observed on. So direct question. World Water Day is observed on option number C, 22 March. And what is the theme? Theme 2022 is groundwater making the invisible visible. Groundwater making the invisible visible. Important theme. Important. This theme is important. 22nd March is World Water Day, and groundwater making the invisible visible. Joint military exercise Lamitya 2022 held between India and which country? So Lamitya exercise was held between India and Seychelles. India and Seychelles. Okay, and what is the capital of Seychelles? Seychelles capital is Victoria. Victoria. Currency is not important because currency is Seychelles rupees. This is not important, but Victoria is the important capital. Seychelles capital is Victoria. Thailand, Bangkok. Israel, Jerusalem. Thailand capital is Bangkok. Jerusalem. And UK is London. Okay. So next question. Military exercise cold response is organized by which organization in Norway? In Norway capital is Oslo. So military exercise cold response was organized by NATO. NATO. Correct answer is option D, NATO. NATO is an military alliance of how many countries? 30 countries. NATO is an military alliance of 30 countries. NATO is an military alliance of 30 countries. Okay, and who is the chief of NATO? Because the extension of NATO chief has been extended for 1 year. So the correct answer is Jens Stoltenberg. Jens Stoltenberg. Jens Stoltenberg is the chief of NATO. NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, basically regulated by America. North Atlantic Treaty Organization, United Nations, European Union, International Police. And what is the capital of Norway? Norway capital is Oslo, and currency is Norwegian krone. Norwegian krone. Danish krone, Denmark currency Danish krone, Norway currency Norwegian krone. KRONE krone. Next question. Which state government created Dishank app to make it easier to access land records? So through this app, they will make clear about the land. All the records related to land will be put in this app. So Dishank app is created by which state government? The correct answer is option number D, Karnataka. Option number D, Karnataka. And Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. That is Space City, Science City, Garden City, Silicon Valley City. And there is a nuclear power plant in Karnataka, that is Kaiga. Kaiga nuclear power plant is located in Karnataka. Karnataka CM is Basavaraj Bommai. Basavaraj Bommai is Karnataka's CM. And who is the governor of Karnataka? TCG, Thawarchand Gehlot. TCG is the governor of Karnataka. And there are some important national park in Karnataka, that is Bandipur, Bannerghat National Park, Bandipur National Park, Dandeli, Bannerghat, Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, Bannerghat, Bandipur or Bhadra. These are important wildlife sanctuary and national park. And another is Madumalai, Anshi, Dandeli, Nagarhole. Nagarhole has come in the RIMC exam. Nagarhole National Park. Nagarhole. Tiger Reserve. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve National Park. And Madumalai Tiger Reserve is located in Karnataka. There is an important fall in Karnataka on the Sravati River. That is Jog Fall. Jog Fall. Jog Fall is located in Karnataka on the Sravati river. Next question. Which place has become the hottest place on earth? As in 2000, after the end of 2021, which place has become hottest? The hottest place is Kuwait. Kuwait city. Okay. And what is the temperature reach over in Kuwait? 53.2 degrees Celsius. 53 highest, hottest and highest place. Okay, hottest place on the earth. Is observed every year on 23rd March. So 23rd March we observe 2 days. One is Martyrs Day, Shahid Divas, Martyrs Day, Shahid Divas, and World Meteorological Day. So the correct answer is option C and D. We celebrate 2 days on 23rd March. That is Martyrs Day, Shahid Divas, and what happened on Martyrs Day? On this day, British government hanged Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. Okay, on this day, 23rd March, British government hanged Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, and Sukhdev. That's why we observe 23rd as Shahid Divas, Martyrs Day. And WMO, World Meteorological Organization, was established on 23rd March 1950. 23rd March 1950. That's why we observe 23rd March as World Meteorological Day. Okay, and where is the headquarters WMO? WMO headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland city, Geneva. And theme the year for the early warning and early action. For the theme for the year 2020, early warning and early action. Which country was the most polluted country for the year 2021? So the correct answer is most polluted country was Bangladesh. The correct answer is Bangladesh. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Bangladesh capital is Dhaka and currency is Taka. Bangladesh is the country which shares the longest border with India. Which country shares the longest border with India? That is Bangladesh. Okay, Bangladesh shares the longest. And with how many states Bangladesh shares boundary? There are 5 states. Bangladesh shares its boundary. 5 states. You have to remember, because these questions are asked frequently in RIMC exam. There are 5 states Bangladesh shares boundary. Number one is West Bengal, and number 2 is Assam. Number 3 is Tripura. Number 4 is Mizoram. And not Mizoram. Yes, Mizoram. And number 4 is Meghalaya. These are 5 states. Okay, these are 5 states. Assam shares boundary. Bangladesh shares its boundary. Bangladesh shares longest border with India. Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Name the state that has become first state to introduce carbon neutral farming. So carbon neutral farming is introduced by the highest literate state of India, that is Kerala. Kerala is the highest literate state of India. Kerala literacy rate is 94%. And which is the least literate state? Least literate is Bihar. 62% only. Okay, so the carbon neutral farming is introduced by Kerala. What is the Kerala's capital? Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister of Kerala. Arif Muhammad Khan. Pinarayi Vijayan is the Chief Minister. Arif Muhammad Khan is the Governor of Kerala. Okay. Recently, a joint military exercise, Dust Leak, was conducted between India and. So, Dust Leak exercise was conducted between India and Uzbekistan. Uzbekistan is a Central Asian country. There are 5 countries in the Central Asia: Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan. So, what is the capital of Uzbekistan? Tashkent. 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 Okay. Next question. Who has become the first para-athlete to receive Padma Bhushan? So, the correct answer is javelin thrower Devendra Jajaria. Devendra Jajaria is the correct answer. He is a javelin thrower. And these players are also important. All these players are para-athlete players. Avni Lekhara is para-Olympian and rifle shooter. She is a rifle shooter. para rifle shooter Avni Lakhera. And gold medal in 10 meter in rifles category in Summer Olympic, that is in Tokyo Olympics. She won gold in 10 meter rifle shooting. Mariappan Thangavallu is high jumper. Mariappan Thangavallu is high jumper. Pramod Bhagat is badminton player, and she is an shooter, rifle shooter. Next question. Each year World TB Day is commemorated on. So World TB Day is observed on 24th March. The correct answer is 24th March. And who discovered the TB? Robert Koch. You have to remember this name, Robert Koch. Robert Koch. Because 24 March marks the day in 1882 when Robert Koch announced that he had discovered TB bacteria, that is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The bacteria that causes TB is Myco. You have to remember this name, Mycobacterium, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This bacteria was discovered by Robert Koch, okay, in 24th March 1882. That's why TB Day is observed on 24th March, World Tuberculosis Day. And what is the vaccine for TB? That is BCG. You have to remember this, BCG. BCG is Bacille Clamate Guerin, is a vaccine for TB disease. It is a vaccine for TB disease. This question come up before, that BCG is given in which disease? That is TB. Okay. So, and what is the theme of TB? Invest to end TB, save lives. Invest to end TB, save lives. Next question. Ashley Barty announced retirement from which game? So Ashley Barty at the age of 25, she announced his retirement at the age of 25. So she is the player of which game? That is tennis. She is a tennis star. She She announced her retirement, and at a very young age she announced the retirement. So from which country she belongs? She belongs to Australia. She's a number one, world number one player. Australia. Country is Australia. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize for the very important question, most important question. So the Abel Prize for the year 2022 is given to Dennis Pernell-Swillian. And for which sector the Abel Prize is given? The Abel Prize is known as Nobel of Mathematics. Nobel of Maths is known as Abel Prize. So Abel Prize is associated with mathematics. Okay. And the person who received the Abel Prize for the year 2022, he is an American. And which academy gives this award? This award is given by Norwegian Academy of Science and Letter. Norwegian Academy of Science and Letter. Norwegian, Norwegian, Norwegian Academy of Science and Letters. Okay, next question. India's first ever SAI means Sport Authority of India, National Center for Excellence, Mountain Terrain Biking and Bicycling Motocross to be set up in which city? So the correct answer is Shimla. Shimla is located in Himachal Pradesh. Who among the following is Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh? Please read the question carefully. Deputy Chief Minister. In the question it is asked Deputy Chief Minister. So the who is the Deputy Chief Minister? That is Dinesh Sharma. No, Dinesh Sharma was replaced by Brijesh Pathak. The correct answer is option number C. Yogi Adityanath is the CM. Brijesh Pathak and Keshav Prasad Maurya. There are two deputy CM in Uttar Pradesh. Keshav Prasad Maurya and Brijesh Pathak. Brijesh Pathak replaced Dinesh Sharma, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. And there is a national park in Uttar Pradesh, that is Dudhwa National Park, and Narora Nuclear Power Plant. Narora Nuclear Power Plant is located in Uttar Pradesh, Bulandshahr. Narora Nuclear Power Plant is also located in Uttar Pradesh, that is in the city of Bulandshahr. Recently, External Affairs Minister of China named as visited India. So, External Affairs Minister of China visited India. What is the name? Name is Wang Yi. Wang Yi visited India. India and China are trying to settle down their dispute at the Ladakh region, Galwan Valley clash. They are trying to settle their um, disputes. So, External Affairs Minister of China is Wang Yi, and who is External Affairs Minister of India? S. Jaishankar. S. Jaishankar is the External Affairs Minister of India. And Xi Jinping is the President of China. Li Keqiang, who is Li? It is PM. He is PM of China. Wang Qishin is Home Minister type. Wang Qishin is Vice President. Okay, but it is not important. Important is Xi Jinping and Li Keqiang and Wang Yi. Which city has become the first in India to get road that is made out of steel waste? So first steel road will be made out in which city? So the first steel road will be made in Surat. The correct answer is Surat. And Surat is known as Diamond City of India. Diamond City of India. Surat is situated on the bank of which river? Tapi River. Tapi River. Okay, Surat is located in Gujarat. Okay, Surat is a city of Gujarat state. And Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train first station will be installed in Surat. Mumbai Ahmedabad bullet train road map railway track first station will be start from Surat. Who has won Women's Singles Swiss Open 2022? The correct answer is PV Sindhu. PV Sindhu, double Olympic gold medalist. PV Sindhu, double Olympic medalist. Fifth BIMSTEC summit was attended by PM Modi virtually. He has not attended the meeting physically by video conferencing. How many members countries are there in BIMSTEC? So there are 7 members in BIMSTEC. There are 7 members. And what are they? What are the name? One is BIM is Bangladesh. I miss India. Another is Bhutan. Don't go with these alphabets. Okay, Bangladesh, India, Bhutan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and Myanmar and Thailand. These are 7 members of BIMSTEC group. And what is BIMSTEC? Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical Economic Cooperation. Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical Economic Cooperation. This is the BIMSTEC full form. Is an international organization of 7 South Asian Southeast nation. 7 South Asian. This is South Asian, and this is Southeast. This is Southeast nation. Okay, Southeast Asian. SAARC. Okay, SAARC and ASEAN. This is SAARC. This is ASEAN. 7 members. Won the Best Actor award in Oscar 2022. So Best Actor award goes to Will Smith. For which movie? King Richard. King Richard movie is the Will Smith performance. King Richard. And Jessica Chastain, Best Actress. Jessica Chastain, but important is Will Smith. And The Power, there is a movie, The Power of the Dog. Okay, means the most number of award goes to The Power of Dog. Most number of award goes to The Power of Dog. Best Actor Will Smith. Jessica Chastain, Jessica Jessica Chastain. Best Actress. And Best Movie, Best Picture is CODA, Best Picture. And Oscar Award, also known as Academy Award. This is most important. Academy Award. Which awards are known as Academy Award? Oscar Award. Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2022 has been won by. So the correct answer is Max Verstappen. On to which country Max Verstappen belong to? Netherlands, Dutch. And which car he drives? He drives Red Bull. He is a driver of Red Bull. Who has become the new Director General of International Labour Organization, ILO? So ILO is new Gilbert F. Hundbogo. Gilbert F. Hungbo. The correct answer is GFH. And where is the headquarter of ILO? Geneva, again Switzerland. And in which year it was founded? It was founded in 1999. This year is important. 1919. 1919, ILO, International Labour Organization, was founded. Is the second most noise polluted city globally according to the recent annual Frontier Report 2022 published by the United Nations Environment Program. So basically the question is second most noise polluted city. So the correct answer is Muradabad. Correct answer is Muradabad. Muradabad is located in Uttar Pradesh. Muradabad is located in Uttar Pradesh. And where is the headquarters of United Nations Environment Program? It is located in Nairobi. Nairobi capital is Kenya. Nairobi is the capital city of Kenya. Okay. And which city is number one in noise pollution? That is Dhaka. And Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. Who has been awarded the Stockholm Water Prize? Very important. Stockholm Water Prize, Nobel Prize of Water. Similarly, Abel Prize is Nobel Prize of Mathematics. In the same way, a Stockholm Water Prize is often described as Nobel Prize of Water. So this prize goes to won by Wilfred Brudstreet. Option number B. Option number B. And what is the Stockholm? Stockholm is the capital city of Sweden. So basically these awards are given by the Sweden, Stockholm. And he is also known as Mr. Evaporation. Mr. Evaporation. Basically he works for the conservation of water. Mr. Evaporation. The nickname of this person is Mr. Evaporation. Okay, known as Mr. Evaporation. Today's burning question, I have taken this question from the RAMC June 2021. Which of the following instrument is played by Amjad Ali Khan? So most of the time I took the question from the RIMC previous year, Rasainic previous year, so that you can learn this question in a very slowly manner, in a very slow way. One question you will, if you will learn one question daily basis, then there will be a collection of very good questions. Ultimate after 2 to 3 months, around 90-100 questions will be remembered in your memories. So if you want to prepare the Sainik School other entrance exam, you can avail these courses. These are our recorded and test series. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, push the bell icon, because it motivates me if you do so. And please suggest me in the comment box what type of what I can do more for you, what is the improvement you want from my side. Okay. And recently RIMC exam will held on 4th June, so that the days are very less. So please start your preparation and revise these current affairs at regular pace. If you will not do so, then there will be huge bundle of current affairs, and near the exam it will be difficult for you to memorize all the current affairs at once. So do it regular basis. These are our official number. You can call on this number on WhatsApp. So students, all the best. Thanks for watching.